Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to show you guys the new broadcast features, which includes rich text and scheduling broadcasts. So I am at my own event here and I'm the host, so I have the broadcast feature where I am right now. We're going to click create broadcast here, which will bring us to this window, and this is the new rich text feature. You're now able to type in bold, italicized, underline, make it list, bullet points, all that good stuff. And more importantly, you can add in images and also videos. But today, I'll just show you how to add in an image. So we're going to click see URL here. We're going to go to this Google Images page that I opened up. And you're going to click, you can choose any image, doesn't really matter. You just have to right click it. And then you go to copy image address. Click that, and we go back here. Under the URL, we're going to click right click and paste. And then you just click the check mark. And you see, right now it's a little bit too big, not ideal. So all we had to do is left click it again. And you see that there was a width and height option that we can edit. So let's go back to the image. Let's mouse over here, check the dimensions is 1260 by 560. So let's cut that down by half. So we have 630 and 280. Here we go. Click the check mark. Boom, it's smaller, still a bit big, so we can do the same thing, cut it down by half again, so it stays even. So we do 315 and we do 140. Click the check mark. Bam. Now, it's a good size. Let's put in a message as well. Hi guys, smiley face. So we click publish. And now you have your picture in your announcement. Perfect. Let's close that. The next feature I'll show you guys is the new scheduling broadcast feature. It's the same process. You go click create broadcast, type in message, and then we click this little tab right here that says scheduled message. You click that, this will open up. It'll show you the current date and the current time. You can choose your date by either typing it in, like changing it like this, 17th, or we click the little calendar right here. You can click any of the dates. We're going to stay on today. And then for the time, it's the same thing. You can either type it in or you click the little calendar. Right now it's 1:45. Let's go for 1:46. And you can drag it around like this. Click 46 and we want PM. Click OK. We have our message. We have our times. And then we just click schedule. And now you'll see it shows you it's on September 17th, 1:46 p.m. Perfect. So let's check the time. Okay, so I'll cut the video from now and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so now it's 1:46. There is a slight delay because it's not perfectly in sync, but it should come up anytime now in a second. 2, 3. Boom, there it is. And now see your message, how's it going? This one we set has been published. And you see that once it's been published, the scheduled time will disappear. That's how you know it's been published already. And the next feature I'll show you guys is that you can draft a message. Let's create draft message. Here, click draft down here. You can also access the scheduling message from the edit page here. So you see our draft message is right here. Same process. Click the tab, opens up the options, and now we change the time to same. Let's go 1:50. We click schedule. Same thing. See, it shows that we scheduled it, and we can also go back and change the time with the edit again. Let's go 1:55 instead. So we click schedule again. Now you see it changed to 1:55 here. And lastly, I'll show that you can, same thing, go back to edit. You can also change this back into a draft. If you change it back into a draft, the message will not be shown at any time until you edit it into something else. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Let us know if you have any feedback. Bye!